ag, ag, word family, replacing the initial sound. Okay, we are going to add a B at the beginning. Bag. We're going to change that B into a G. Gag. We're going to replace the G with a J. Jag. We're going to replace the J with an L. Lag. We're going to replace the L with an R. Rag. We're going to replace the R with an S. Sag. We are going to replace the S with a T. Tag. We are going to replace the T with a W. Wag. We are going to replace the W with a Z. Zag. We're going to replace the Z with a B and an R. Brag. We're going to replace the BR with DR. Drag. We're going to replace the DR with FL. Flag. We're going to replace the FL with the SN. Snag. And we're going to replace the SN with an SW. Swag.